Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet herringbone stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see if the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already used the single crochet herringbone stitch, so this is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make any number of chain. I will then show you how to make that first row that you will work into those chains on the row that I am currently working. And I have already made one chain on my hook. Into the first stitch of your row, you're going to make one regular single crochet. If you're working into chains, this single crochet will be made into the second chain from your hook. To make your first single crochet herringbone stitch, you're going to insert your hook into the single crochet you just made using this left loop of that single crochet. So this is what that is going to look like. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through that loop, then insert your hook into the next stitch that you want to work. Grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. And that is going to be one single crochet herringbone stitch made. So like we did with this one, you're going to insert your hook into that stitch you just made using this left loop only. So that's what that's going to look like. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through that loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch you want to work. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. As you work these, they will be easier to work into if you make your stitches a little looser than usual. So for the next one, insert your stitch into that single crochet herringbone we just made, into this loop right here. Grab the yarn you're working with and pull it through. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. Insert your hook into the single crochet herringbone you just made into this loop right here, this left loop. Grab the yarn you're working with, pull it through that loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. Insert your hook into the single crochet herringbone you just made into that left loop only. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. You would repeat making this stitch for the rest of your row. So now you would just repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the single crochet herringbone stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.